Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy soufflé pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks. This crucial step ensures maximum fluffiness. Then, gently combine the flour, milk, and egg yolks to form a smooth, light batter base. This sets the stage for our incredibly airy pancakes. Now for the magic. Whip your egg whites with a pinch of cream of tartar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This creates a stable meringue, which is the secret to the soufflé texture. Next, gently fold this airy meringue into your yolk batter. Do this in 3 separate additions, carefully incorporating each part. This delicate process ensures you maintain all the air, resulting in wonderfully light and fluffy pancakes. To cook these beauties, heat a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. Lightly grease it with a tiny bit of oil or butter. Spoon about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. Then, add 1 tablespoon of water to the pan and quickly cover it. This steams the pancakes, making them incredibly airy before you flip them for another 3 minutes. Finally, it's time to enjoy your healthy soufflé pancakes. Stack 2 or 3 of these incredibly fluffy creations on a plate. For a healthy topping, consider fresh berries, a light drizzle of pure maple syrup, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These light and airy pancakes make a delightful and satisfying breakfast or brunch. For an extra health boost, try substituting half of the all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.